Hello guys. Welcome to the next tutorial video of the Godot web development series. In this video, I'm making the part 2 about the login system in Godot. Okay, let's start. First of all, create a new scene for login. Now open the nodes list and choose the HTTP request node. Create a new script and name it login in the folder. Before we start, I opened the database which is hosted in Firebase. This is the accounts we created in the previous video. Copy the URL now. Also copy the variables of the nodes we created in the previous video, or you can write it. If you haven't seen the previous video about the sign-up system in Godot, watch it. Now connect the signals of the login button and the HTTP request node. In the login button signal, write this code to check if we typed the username and the password. Now we need to connect to database. So write HTTP request database plus %s plus JSON. The %s is the path in which we want to complete the request, and the username text is the account in which we are making the request. Don't forget to write JSON because the database is a JSON file. Request headers is empty and the SSL validation has a false value. To get the data, we will use the get method. Now, in the request completed signal, write this code to get the data of the result when the HTTP request completed. Check if the request is successful or unsuccessful. So write match response underscore code. 200 is the successful code. 404 is the error code. var password equals data password. This is the password which you get from the selected account when you complete the HTTP request. If password text equals password, notification text equals login successful. Else notification text equals wrong password. In the 404 code, write notification text equals login failed. Okay, now we check if the account exists. So write the code. If body.get underscore string underscore from underscore ASCII equals null. Notification text equals this username doesn't exist. Else, if user exists, it will make the login progress. Okay, let's test it. Write a username which exists in the database. And the password. Yeah, it works perfect. Now I have been connected in this account. Let's try one more. Let's select the next account in the database. Write its username. But now I will type a random password. Look, I'm getting an error. So write its password. And yes, it works. Okay guys, this is the login system in Godot. Please subscribe. Click the bell to get notifications every time I upload new video. Leave a like. Also, join my channel's Discord server to communicate with the other subscribers. And join my game's Discord server. See you soon.